Okay, so here we go. We're going to try to adjust this thing. Okay, so here we go. We're going to try to adjust this thing. Okay. All right, so get this half an inch. We need to adjust until this thing touches this tube. Okay, so until it's just touching. New every day. Okay. Yeah, you can see it's riding off the rail. All right, back to the book. All right, I think I got it. It's not perfect, but it's much better. Hey Chaos Farmers, I wanted to let you know about my Patreon, and I also have a TeeSpring site. For 2019, 100% of all profits go back into the channel. Just wanted to let you know. All right, back to the content. Hey, you made it to the end of the video. There are a couple of things you could do now. You could click here. That's the best video for you. Or you could click here. That's a playlist that will show more videos like the one you just watched if you feel like binge watching Chaos Farm, and I know you probably do. There's a couple other things that you could do just to make this more complicated. You could hit the thumbs up button, or You could hit here, that's subscribe.